Alden, it's your update and posted Daddy Bay and AR Foundation ruling and graduated scholars. Ang dami na nga napag-graduate ni Alden, mga scholar niya eh. And sinishare talaga niya yung blessing. Congrats kay Alden. Ito abang kay Alden, Family Feud. Ayan kung saan nag-taping sila. Yan. Kaya ba nga yan, Family Feud. Sukay na si Alden dyan. Yan o.
Maraming matitubig, palong-palong, galit na galit.
Yan o.
Hindi mo naman nawego, dito po kamang ko na siyempre nakilala natin sa ABS-CBN kung sa nag-start bilang part ng isang boy group. Taway!
Start on the floor. Ano kayo magwawagay? Si Alden o si Mario? Kasi ito ba? Contact signing ni Alden for release of proper.
We're not even comfortable. We're not even at that level. So, mahirap po talaga. So, parang every single day, kami pong apat na magkakapatid. Constant po yung release ko na strawberry sandwich. Kaya it really means a lot to me. Kaya lang po hindi na yung mga kayo. Wala natin ang nalari. Saka nagkaroon. Then, yun po, parang I was very excited and happy about the news. And then, parang sure na lahat. There was just one thing that got in the way of the finalization of the agreement. Was when the name Luis came about. Sabi ko, hindi dahil sa ayaw kong kasama si Kuya Luis.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.